Hello Jutta family, we are in the front enclosure with the 4 little ginger kittens. That's one of the bigger kitten, and that's the second one. This boy is looking for a sponsor. He's very affectionate. Took him a few days to, let me pet him, but now he's very affectionate and every day. Yes. And he has a sister who is having some kitten food, some kitten dry food. Also looking for a sponsor. But she's very shy and I can't touch her yet. Okay, calm down. Gentle. Gentle. They're very playful. They're still very young. And that boy, I couldn't even touch until today. And now all good. Also looking for a sponsor. Those 3 cats, that's a girl. That's her brother, the crazy one. And that's another boy. All those 3 cats are looking for a sponsor. Show your beautiful face. Yes. Ay. The clothes. It's a big problem. I'm full of scratches every day. Not that it's their fault, it's just they have very sharp claws. And they're kittens, so they like to play. So the crazy kittens. I. Gentle. Please. Please. Gentle, okay? I. Gentle. Good. Calm down, everyone. This one is my favorite baby. Every time he calls for me, and as soon as I get into the enclosure, he jumps right on my lap. What do you want to say? Oh, there's a bird. They just all heard a bird. Look at that face. I know, and that's the mama cat, and she's so nice. She's always lying down next to me, and she wants some pets. Yes. Whoops. You're gonna fall, baby. Oh, you're too close. You're too close. You're beautiful. So yeah, that little guy is very special to me. Because it's very funny how he's very close to me and he always wants to be on me. He's the only one with the blue eyes. Well, too close. Yes, I know you want cuddles too. And that's one of the other kittens as well. They're all very playful. And here we have Schnurzel with a girl. Schnurzel. And Purzel is sleeping with the 2 other kittens. He was just grooming them. And now he's cuddling with them. Some crazy kittens. Calm down. Calm down. Yeah, I know you want to play. I. Gentle. Calm down, babe. Oh. Calm down. Alright, well, apparently it's playtime. In the other enclosure it was sleeping time. Here it's playtime. It's always playtime with the kittens, right? Always, right? Alright. Bye-bye.